Hello everyone. Yesterday we talked about two different L sounds. Now in Indian English we just have one L, but in standard Englishes, whether it is British or American, there are two different L sounds. One which is called the clear L sound, that is produced when the tip of the tongue touches the alveolar ridge, teeth ridge. Can you see? My tip of the tongue touches the part which is just behind your upper teeth. And when you produce the sound L, the tip of the tongue falls down. L, lie, lad, list. So you can clearly see the tip of the tongue falls down when the sound L is produced. L. Now this L is your clear L sound. But apart from this, there is another L sound which is at the end of a word or where it is followed by a consonant sound. Now to pronounce that particular L sound, the technique is to keep the tip of the tongue touching the alveolar ridge, and it shouldn't fall down, it should stay there. For example, when I say feel, so my tip of the tongue is still there at the end, it doesn't fall down. Another word, bill, kneel. So you can probably see that my tip of the tongue is there at the end of the word. Milk, little. So when I say little, the first is L, clear, and the last is dark. Little, feel, bill, tell, tell. Can you see the position of my tip of the tongue? Tell. So I hope this helps in some way. Thank you very much.